prior to receiving the lecture poem, the very matter of an essential learning opportunity. First, I'd like to be all set to help your concentration. Concentration is very powerful, which is guided to go forth academically. What is the meaning to go forth academically? First, I'd like you to think of the reason why you study here. Would you like to study to have more pieces of knowledge? Would you like to study to satisfy your greed for knowledge? Of course not. You don't wish to do so. It is ugly. It is ugly to study something out of greed for knowledge. How you receiving my guidance shall be as follows all the time. You study a lot to pursue something essential. You study a lot through facing the limit you have. It's like you drive yourself into a corner. You continue studying upon the edge of a perpendicular cliff. I'd like you to have intellectual curiosity. Intellectual curiosity is differentiated from greed for knowledge. To study out of greed for knowledge is ugly. On the other hand, to study out of intellectual curiosity is reasonable, and can I say, beautiful. As one of human beings who possesses intellect, you realize the fact of the reasonability and beauty in learning so many things here. One thing is necessary for you to think of. I'd like you to cleanse yourself. I'd like you to have purity in your intellectual curiosity. It is the one I'd like you to realize all the time. I hope your intellectual boy shall be beautiful and graceful. The lecture shall be finished now.